In this video, we will go over some other HTML semantic elements. Specifically, we will learn more about main and footer tags. So let's see. Two more structural elements are main and footer elements. These elements, along with nav and header elements, help describe where an element is located based on conventional web development standards. The element main is used to encapsulate the dominant content within a web page. This tag is separate from the footer and the nav of a web page since these elements don't contain the principal content. By using main as opposed to a div element, screen readers and web browsers are better able to identify that whatever is inside of the tag is the bulk of the content. So how does main look when incorporated into our code? That's a great question, and let's see the example. As we see above, main contains an article and header tag with child elements that hold the most important information related to the page. Okay, we have the main as the main container for our example code. Then we have the header inside, and then we have one more element. It is the article HTML element. The content at the bottom of the subject information is known as the footer, indicated by the footer element. The footer contains information such as contact information, copyright information, terms of use, sitemap, reference to top of page links. And for example, we have this code here, footer element with some paragraph element inside. In the example above, the footer is used to contain contact information. The footer tag is separate from the main element and typically located at the bottom of the content. Okay, and let's see the instructions for this exercise and what we should change in our code. In the code editor, find the div with the ID main. Let's find it. Okay guys, there was some bug on the Codecademy page, so I restarted this exercise and now we have the appropriate code in our editor. And let's see once again the instructions. In the code editor, find the div with the ID main. It is right here. Tag and change it to main. Okay, let's change this tag to main HTML tag and now save our code. And now we got the check mark. Now find the div with the ID of footer and change it to the footer HTML5. And don't forget to change the closing tag. Let's save our code. Okay, everything looks just fine. The page stays the same. Of course, we just changed the semantic of this code. Okay, let's proceed to the next one.